In this video, we are going to review the best beginner drum sets available in the current market. After reviewing 15 drum sets and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
Pearl Roadshow Drum Set. The best drum set for beginners is the Pearl RS525SCC706, which has the classic and beautiful design that looks and feels great to play with. The 5-piece drum set has everything a beginner needs, including the cymbals.
Number 2.
Gammon Percussion Drum Set. For those in need of something that comes with the complete set, including a stool, then I recommend the Gammon Percussion Complete Drum Set. You'll appreciate that it has the professional package, so you won't need to purchase anything more.
Number 3.
Mendini by Cecilio Drum Set. What makes the Mendini by Cecilio one of the best drum set for beginners is that they are great for a wide age group. Teenagers and adults can take advantage and begin learning immediately, with the quality package and fine sounds when played.
Number 4.
Ludwig Questlove Pocket Kit Drum Set. I appreciate the simplicity in the Ludwig LC178X016, which is what makes it the best drum set for beginners. The 4-piece package comes with the quality gear that feels and sounds great.
Number 5.
Yamaha Stage Custom Birch Drum Shell Pack. Though it doesn't come with cymbals, the Yamaha Stage Custom Birch 3-piece drum shell pack is perfect for both beginners and advanced players alike. This is because Yamaha is known for their quality instruments.